So yeah, these are my Razer Orca headphones. I have used them for around 5 years. In the meantime I bought another pair, they're Razer Electra, a newer model. So yeah, about these headphones, they still work perfect. I mean, the sound is like from the first day. The only issue is that sometimes the sound will get interrupted on this on the left earpad. So I used here a band of rubber and isolated the wire, because when I was tilting my head, when this cable was moving, the sound had issue. So now it stands perfectly still, but the length of the cable is smaller, but it works. Also, another important issue is that I had to do a knot here because this braided cable, I mean the rubber cable is coming out, and there's like no way to make it stand straight. So yeah, here I had to do a knot because, as you see, the cable is coming out, and it will get here like this, and I don't know, maybe it will have other issues. So yeah, this is the only one, because this part is staying straight, but here, as I sit on my chair, it's standing like this, and it makes this thing here. So yeah, they still work. The ear pads are a bit dirty, but I've tried to clean them, but I can't make them like new, but they're fine. The plastic here is also fine, nothing to complain. They do this noise a bit, but it's still fine. The adjustment works. So yeah, great headphones. I just wanted to show you how these Razer Orca headphones can last even after 4 or 5 years, and I guess they will last me even for even more years. So until I get a newer model like Razer Kraken. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching, and thumbs up for Razer.